I don't know about you, but I'm a man who prefers high quality holes. Not like that. So to get a good quality hole in a 3D printed part, just use compressed air. So 3D printing is basically thermoplastic that melts into the shape that you want, and the friction from a drill or a tap trying to cut out the hole will actually heat up the plastic and just smear it around rather than cut it like you should. So if you just blow compressed air in the hole while you're drilling or tapping, it'll keep the plastic cool and it'll keep the tool cool, so you get a perfect result, like machined threads. There you go. And here we are assembling it easily by hand. Just nice.